Hey parents, as a parenting and child development consultant, I'm here to share some valuable insights. Let's dive into the fascinating world of learning differences in our little learners. Did you know each child has a unique learning style? Just like their fingerprints, their approach to learning can vary significantly. Some kids thrive in auditory settings where listening and discussing concepts are essential. They soak up knowledge through conversation and storytelling. Others are kinesthetic learners, meaning they need hands-on experience to grasp new ideas. These little explorers learn best by doing, touching, and moving. Diverse learning styles are like a colorful mosaic. Imagine a classroom where each child's unique strengths shine through. As parents and educators, we can adapt our teaching methods to accommodate these differences. By recognizing and embracing various learning styles, we can create an environment where every child feels valued and understood. Understanding these differences allows us to support our little ones on their learning journey. Here's how. Observe and listen. Pay attention to how your child engages with the world. Are they drawn to music, movement, or visual cues? Tailor activities. Provide a mix of activities, storytelling, hands-on experiments, and creative play. Let their learning style guide you. Encourage exploration. Let them explore freely, whether it's building blocks or discussing a favorite story. Encourage curiosity. Celebrate progress. Every milestone matters. Celebrate their growth, no matter the learning path they take. Let's champion diversity in learning. Share this with fellow parents and educators. Together, we'll create a world where every child's unique brilliance shines.